Exchange 2010, the latest incarnation of Microsoft's email software, offers a number of new features to improve upon the capabilities of its popular predecessors. These enhancements include new tools to help you with message management, document retention and archiving, as well as improved regulatory compliance and e-discovery. In this short video, we'll cover some of the major new improvements to help you determine if an upgrade is truly worth the effort and expense. And while we're at it, we'd like to show you ways to expand your email administration capabilities even further by complementing Exchange 2010's expanded feature set with Sherpa Software's versatile MailAttender for Exchange utility. In particular today, we'd like to focus on the improvements Microsoft has made to Exchange 2010 in the areas of document retention and archiving. Key to this is the introduction of personal archives. With Exchange 2010, each user in the Exchange environment can now have a secondary archive mailbox with a separate quota size independent of the primary mailbox. This allows the user to retain older or less frequently accessed messages while also freeing up storage space and reducing workplace clutter. For the end user, the archive looks like another folder within Outlook. To manually transfer a message from primary storage into the archive, users can simply drag and drop. Better yet, the archival process can be automated. Administrators can create document retention policies to transfer messages from the primary mailbox into the archive mailbox based on message age. And there's also an option to delete older messages rather than archive them. Either way, this ensures that mailbox sizes are reduced and application and network performance are improved. Unfortunately, age is the only criteria that Exchange 2010 can use as a basis for document archival. It would be nice to have some other criteria to pick from. This is one area where Sherpa's MailAttender can come into play. MailAttender gives you added ability to move messages directly to the Exchange archives using virtually any criteria you can think of: age, message or attachment size, sender, receiver, even keywords or other content. MailAttender offers over 70 different types of conditional retention criteria, either alone or in combination. That's just something you may want to consider when planning your upgrade. Getting back to personal archives and what else is new in Exchange 2010, from an administrative viewpoint, perhaps the most compelling aspect of the personal archives is that they can effectively eliminate the need for PST files. Historically, PST files were a way for users to move messages offline while still retaining data. The problem is that the messages could be dispersed virtually anywhere, and so were outside the control of the administrators. This makes regulatory compliance or e-discovery virtually impossible. Using the personal archives to eliminate the need to create PST files removes a huge headache, but unfortunately, Exchange 2010 only addresses this issue going forward. What about older PST files that are already out there in your environment? Exchange 2010 does little to reintegrate legacy PST messages back into the central mail environment. If you're concerned about regulatory compliance or possible future litigation or e-discovery issues, this is a crucial need and another area where Sherpa's MailAttender can be a tremendous asset. It's not something you want to leave up to your users. MailAttender addresses the legacy PST problem in a number of ways. First off, MailAttender scans your entire environment, including local workstations, to locate PST files wherever they may be hiding. Secondly, MailAttender employs a sophisticated algorithm to automatically assign ownership of those PST files and associate them with the proper mail user. Rules can then be created to import PSTs to either the owner's mailbox or personal archive. If your organization has hundreds or even thousands of PST files, assigning ownership one PST at a time is simply not practical. MailAttender can even process encrypted or password-protected PST files. Microsoft has clearly made some major improvements with Exchange 2010, particularly in the areas of document retention, compliance, and e-discovery. However, like anything, it still has its limitations. Fortunately, Sherpa Software's MailAttender can be applied to expand and enhance the new Exchange 2010 feature set. Like all Attender utilities, MailAttender is easy to install and learn, and perfectly complements Exchange 2010's newly enhanced inherent feature set.